What's up everybody, Mr. D here, and welcome to another edition of PE with Mr. D. In this video, we're going to play a game called Mr. D's Sock Toss Challenge. And in this game, you're going to need a couple things. You're going to need a basket or something to throw some socks into. And that means you're going to need some balled up socks. It'll help if you have a few socks of a different color, because in a couple of the rounds, the socks that are colored are worth an extra point. To ball up a sock, let me show you. Take a sock, start at the toe end, and we're gonna roll it to the top. And when you get to the top, you're gonna take this part and you're gonna loop it around, and boom, you got a balled up sock. If you'd like, you can have a timer handy, but that's not necessary. Let's go over the rounds. There are 5 rounds. The first round is the standard round. In that round, you'll need 3 to 9 socks. After that round, it's the deluxe round, and for that one, it'll help if you have 5 to 15 socks. The next round's the standard money ball round, and that's where it'll be handy if you got some colored socks, because the money ball will be worth an extra point if you make it. In that round, you'll need about 9 socks. It'll help if 3 of them are colored. The next one is the deluxe money ball round, and in that round, you'll need 15 socks. It'll help if 5 of them are colored. The last one is the Deluxe Money Ball Extreme round, and for that round, you'll need 15 socks. It'll help if 7 of them are colored. In this video, I will demonstrate each round by doing it myself, and then you'll be able to pause the video and do each round yourself. Let me show you how it's done. Welcome to the Mr. D Sock Toss Contest. This contest is run similarly to the NBA 3-point contest, if you're familiar with that. You could do this contest timed or untimed, that is up to you. There are multiple different rounds to this contest, and I will go over each round before I demonstrate each round. Our first round is the standard round. The setup for the standard round, you got your basket along the wall in the center. You got 3 balled up socks along the edge, 3 balled up socks straight ahead, 3 balled up socks along the other edge. I'm gonna give myself 30 seconds to do this round. You could do it timed or untimed, that is up to you. Let me demonstrate the standard round. The next round is the deluxe round. Similar setup to the previous round, but we are adding 2 more sets of balled up socks. This round I'm giving myself 45 seconds. Let's see how I do. The next round is the standard money ball round. We are introducing the money ball. The money ball is worth 2 points, and it replaces the last ball in each set of socks. We're back down to 3 sets of socks this round. For the money ball, I'm using a different color sock so I can tell it apart. I'm giving myself 30 seconds in this round. Here we go. The next round is the deluxe money ball round. We still have that 2-point money ball at the end of each set of socks, but we are adding 2 sets of socks to this round. I'm going to give myself 45 seconds for this round. Let's do it. The next round is the Deluxe Moneyball Extreme round. This round is just like the other round, except you get to choose 1 set of socks to make entirely Moneyball socks. I'm gonna give myself 45 seconds for this round. Let's get extreme.